On 31st October 2022, the National People's Party or NPP had welcomed to its family the candidate from 28 Sohra Constituency, Allen West. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who is also the national president of the party, welcomed the new entrant at the party office in Shillong in the presence of the state president of the party, Dr. W R Kharlukhi, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, members of frontal organizations of the party, workers, supporters and family members of the candidate from Sohra Constituency.
At the same time, I request our National President to give hand over the form to our Tuba Alan. Baji, please come inside. Baji. Dr. Padi, State President, yan over itu ka form high balan. Kapti. So I request
Shillong Kulmar. There was this great leader, national leader, late Pundo Esangma. Somehow he draws me. Hakajing ikan dua pun muni riu krau jong kari. Shillong yang aku ni, because he came back to state politics. Setiap balik awan pai sa state politics. O ngala long Lok Sabha Speaker, ngala long Union Minister, ngala long MP katasin, tang ngapit ya record ng state te ngasi soleran. Maka hiar sa po. O ngawan pai biang sa state politics banirap ya kejelaban kiu salor. Tengah try Dr. Kharlukhi mga ngini menjuri kata bangi Shillong Kulmar nrengi iya ka image yang niu the great leader of the country, late Pundo Esangma.